Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Here we have the Dell KB216 Multimedia keyboard. Let's take a look inside the box. Got another box inside the box. Let's keep this aside. This one. Okay, on the inside we have the keyboard, which we'll keep here, and we've got a safety, environmental and regulatory information document. So let's keep that. That's all there is inside the box. So let's keep this to the side. As you can see, the keyboard is inside a plastic wrapping. Let's get that out of the way. So we've got the KB216 multimedia keyboard, and as you can see, it's got a USB type A port, so it should fit there in just about any computer. And another thing you'll notice right off the bat is the Chiclet style keys that it has. The keyboard has very low profile Chiclet style keys. So these are very similar to the type of keys that you would see in laptops, for example. And they feel, obviously they're very silent keys, so they don't make too much noise. So these media keys over here, they're usually the ones that work along with the function key. So you press the function key and then you would use these media keys. You've got the fast forward, you've got the rewind or previous track, and you've got the pause and play button. You've also got a search button, and there's also volume control and mute right over here. You've got the indicators for the various locks here, the num lock, caps lock and scroll lock. Other than that, it's a standard keyboard layout. You've got your number keys here and the usual basically. If we flip the keyboard around, you've got two plastic stands here with rubber stoppers to stop the keyboard from slipping. So if your preference is to have your keyboard a bit elevated, then you can have it this way. That's about all there is to the Dell KB216 multimedia keyboard. Thanks for watching.